We're gonna be pushing the limits to see what this can do.
Mirko is gonna be flying over water, so like if something goes down, it's gonna be...
Leave it in the comments below. Now, most of the time we see these manned drones, they're not flying, they're just concepts. This is a real McCoy. This is capable of flying a...
Yeah, it's feeling a lot of wind.
You on the wind?
A lot, yeah. I got a bit higher from the backflip, guys.
Okay.
Yes! What the heck? Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, bro. That thing is amazing, guys. No idea. Head back. That was awesome.
The target a little bit. That was fun. Now.
It's like that, okay? Or it can be completely remotely piloted. Beyond line of sight is in the very near future for us. This is one of our pre-production prototypes. We got video showing right now of live flying over in Norway. It is manufactured in Norway right now. We have a production plant we just opened in Lakeland, Florida. We'll be doing assembly there, and shortly within the year,